Gold's legacy, the undisputed champion. Gold has been the cornerstone of human value systems for thousands of years. From ancient empires to modern banks, it's been the symbol of wealth, trust, and power. Why? Because it's scarce, durable, and globally recognized. But here's the thing. Gold is heavy. It doesn't move with speed, it doesn't build apps, and it doesn't thrive in a borderless economy. Enter PiNetwork, born for the digital century. While gold dominates the physical world, PiNetwork is positioning itself as the value layer of the digital age. It's not just another coin, it's an ecosystem, a movement, a digital economy where value isn't stored and forgotten. It's circulated, created, and used daily. Unlike most crypto projects that chase hype, Pi is architecting a future where value is defined by utility and participation. With over 60 million pioneers across 200+ countries, Pi isn't just growing, it's thriving. Before we go deeper, if this vision of digital value excites you, smash that like button, subscribe to TJ Crypto World, and ring that bell so you never miss a beat from the blockchain frontier. Let's build this knowledge together. From mining to building, the real shift. In its early days, Pi made headlines by letting people mine coins on their phones. No GPUs, no electricity bills. It was revolutionary. But Pi isn't stopping there. Now Pi is shifting from just mining to building. Developers are using Pi App Studio to create decentralized applications that run on Pcoin. This is where real-world utility starts to take root, because value without use is just speculation. And that's where Pi begins to outpace gold. Gold is a store of value. Pi is a utility engine. While gold just sits in vaults, Pcoin is fueling peer-to-peer payments, in-app purchases, digital marketplaces, and decentralized innovation. Imagine being able to pay for services, play games, or launch your own business, within an ecosystem entirely powered by Pi. The key difference? Gold's value comes from scarcity. Pi's value comes from action. The community is the backbone. What makes Pi even more resilient is its massive verified community. Millions of pioneers have passed KYC. This isn't just a speculative crowd, it's a real network of people ready to transact, build, and grow together. This global participation flips the traditional financial system on its head. Instead of value trickling down from central banks, it rises from the people. Everyone with a smartphone has the chance to earn, spend, and contribute. That's not just inclusive, it's revolutionary. Security meets accessibility. Unlike most crypto projects that are hard to access or prone to manipulation, Pi uses a mobile-first approach. No expensive gear, no environmental damage, and with KYC verification, users are real, not bots. Security and accessibility aren't trade-offs, they're coexisting pillars. That's how Pi is designing a network that can actually scale across continents and cultures. The real-world use case era is here. What happens when Pcoin starts getting accepted by real businesses? When people use it for actual goods and services, not just trading, that's already starting. Developers are creating marketplaces, payment solutions, and more. The Pi ecosystem is evolving, not just on paper, but in action. And with each use case, Pcoin becomes less of a concept and more of a currency. A new standard for the next century. This isn't a trend, it's a transformation. Gold set the standard for the past 1,000 years. Pi is shaping the standard for the next 1,000. It's not just about price, it's about purpose. Pi is proving that value can come from innovation, not just scarcity. From people, not just institutions. From creation, not just preservation. If you believe in this shift from legacy value to digital empowerment, don't just watch from the sidelines. Hit that like button, subscribe to TJ Crypto World, and drop a comment. Pi is the future of value if you're ready to be part of this movement. Thank you for riding with me through today's deep dive into PiNetwork and its rise as the digital gold of the Web3 world. Whether you're a pioneer, a skeptic, or just crypto curious, one thing is clear. The value game is changing, and PiNetwork is leading the charge. Don't stop here. Check out my other videos on Pi's open Mainnet roadmap, utility apps being built on Pi App Studio, and the biggest Pi partnerships to date. They're packed with insights you won't find anywhere else. This is TJ Crypto World, signing out. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay decentralized.